Good morning, RingCentral team. My name is Jeremy Godin, and I'm with cleanfloors.com. And I wanted to take a brief second and let everyone know how RingCentral has transformed my life as a small business owner. I've been using RingCentral since 2009. I've actually used them at 5 different businesses that I've opened and sold over the years. And at each business, RingCentral played a very important part in the day-to-day operation. We were able to forward calls to our managers in the field with the call routing options. When a customer called in, they could press 1 for a sales call or 2 for a current service call. And by doing this, I was able to use the RingCentral platform to save a lot of headache and a lot of labor, so my salespeople weren't dealing with customer service issues, and my customer service people weren't dealing with sales issues. And RingCentral had all this in a very easy, friendly to use dashboard. It's been great at every single company that I've had. I'm in the service business, and every single time RingCentral just hands down plays a very integral part of our day-to-day operations. They have call identifiers that they're able to put in front of your phone numbers when calls are getting forwarded, so that staff can identify the importance of a call or where a call's coming from. Is it coming from, this office or this customer or that customer? It's got some really, really great features. And as VoIP has changed over the years, RingCentral has really, really adapted. One of my favorite features over the years is the voicemail to text feature. It's a great feature. Sometimes you'll get a voicemail that, it might take 2.5 minutes to listen to the voicemail. And the best part of voicemail to text is it comes right to your email. You can read the entire voicemail in 15 to 20 seconds. And if you're handling hundreds and hundreds of calls a week like I am, you're going to save lots of labor, and in our business, lots of labor saved is more sales, which is more money, and RingCentral will definitely help you achieve that goal without an issue at all. In fact, I was so excited about RingCentral. If you go on YouTube, I actually made a RingCentral plug video last year, just letting everyone know what a great platform that RingCentral is. I truly believe that. I've truly used them for many years, and they're a very, very important part of my business. When a small business owner such as myself, who made the Inc. 5000 list last year at position number 332, I was also in Entrepreneur magazine last year for the 360 best places to work. Take it from somebody like me that's got the notches in the belt and the success of this platform that someone else might try to sell you a different platform that's cheaper or has more features. They won't. I'm telling you, RingCentral has all the features. You will find that they're the best priced. And customer service is great with them. You call in, they have a ticket system, so if something does arise, it's really easy. You have a specialized account manager. If you have questions with training, it's easier to switch than you think it might be. So take it from me, Jeremy Godin at cleanfloors.com, that RingCentral is the company that you want to use for your platform for phones, forwarding, notifications, anything to do with meetings online. RingCentral is the way to go. Thank you, and you all have a great day.